So here I have my Instapot. So I am going to use this Moong Masoor Dal, which is very healthy. So many times when we don't wanted to eat moong dal, which is split moong dal, we like to mix both. I soaked it for 2 hours and now I have put this in an Instapot. To this, I would say I had almost 1.5 cup of both dals, 3/4 cup of moong dal and 3/4 cup of masoor dal. So I will just pressure cook this in Instapot for 2 to 3 minutes. We don't need much time for this. In this I will add some water, around 2 cups of water. Here goes water to this, and now I'm going to add salt to this, around, I would say, 1.5 teaspoon of salt with 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. And now I will just close the lid. Let's close the lid. And I will just do it manual for 3 minutes, and then don't take the pressure out of this. Let it cool down, and then we will put tadka to this. So I am going to put it on manual for 2 to 3 minutes. In the meanwhile, let's go ahead and get started with our tadka. So as dal is still boiling, let's go ahead and do the tadka. So for tadka, you can use oil, ghee, whatever you like. So here I have 2 teaspoons of ghee I'm going to use. So my pan is heated up. In this goes jeera, around a teaspoon of jeera. Let it splutter. Here goes some hing, a pinch of hing, not more than that. And I have 3 cloves of garlic and 1/2 inch of ginger, finely chopped. So let's stir it nicely. And along with this goes onion, around 1 medium-sized onion here. So let it cook on medium flame till it's brown. I would say it will take around 3 to 4 minutes to get onions cooked nicely. So as onions are like brownish, it took me like 5 minutes to cook this onions. So as you have seen that I have added turmeric to dal already, I'm skipping turmeric right now. So it's your wish if you wanted to add turmeric to your tadka, or if you wanted to add it to your while you're boiling. So I'm just going to add some Kashmiri red chili powder. I like to use Kashmiri red chili because it gives nice color to my dals. And here goes tomatoes. So I'm going to use 2 medium-sized tomatoes here. So let this cook for another 5 to 10 minutes on medium flame. And I just wanted to call out, don't worry if you don't have Instapot, because many people does not have Instapot. Use the normal pressure cooker. When you get 1 whistle or 2 whistles, just turn off the heat, and then your dal will be boiled. That's it. So don't worry about the Instapot. I like to use Instapot because it's so handy for me. So anyhow, tadka is the main thing in this dal. It's so simple and so yummy dal and it's easy to digest too. So that's the reason I prefer to make this dal. So I'm going to cook this for a few minutes and then we'll check back. So here my tadka is ready. So look at this, isn't it looking good? So on the top I'm just going to add some garam masala. It's a homemade garam masala, around 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Red chili powder, based on your taste, I'm just going to add around 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder. So this tadka is ready to go into my dal. Either you can pour dal in this tadka, or you can take the tadka and put it in the dal. I am going to put it in the dal. So let's check if our dal is boiled, and then we'll add tadka to that. So look at this. Dal is ready, boiled nicely, and here goes tadka. So I will just mix it well, and I will cook this for another 5 minutes, I would say, manually, so that everything is mixed well. So let's put manual. So I have 5 minutes here. So I'm not going to cover this with the lid, just going to cook it in the open. If you want, just put the lid on. I'm just going to take off this spatula, put the lid on, and cook it for 5 minutes, and we will keep stirring in between. So look at this, our dal is almost done. I would say it did not even took 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes. If you want to have thick consistency, you can cook it for 5 minutes, but I think for me 2 minutes was enough, and this is the consistency I'm looking for. So this dal is ready. So as I mentioned, this dal is ready. So at the end, I like to use some kasuri methi. So here goes some kasuri methi, and I'm going to turn off the heat of my Instapot, and this dal is ready to be served. Look at this. Isn't it looking beautiful? This is so easy to make. My kids does not like moong dal much, but when I do mixing of this masoor with moong, they love it, because masoor has that tangy flavor in that. That's the reason this dal becomes so tasty that you can't even imagine. So trick and tip for this recipe is use desi ghee, use generous amount of onion, garlic, ginger and tomatoes. Cook it well. Try out this recipe, very easy to make, and leave me comments, suggestions. And if you have not subscribed on my channel, please subscribe on my channel and keep watching my videos. Thank you so much. Have a good evening, everyone. Bye bye.